And welcome to Railcam. This is going to be a series of videos that we are going to provide to try and help the user make the most of the Railcam website. The first one's going to be basically how to register and subscribe to the site. The second video is going to be how to use the cameras and the chat facility. And the third video is going to be how to use diagrams. Links to further videos will be provided at the end of the video. This first video is going to concentrate on showing you how to register and log in. So to start off, click on the register button. This brings you to this page, so you'll choose a username. Make sure you do choose a username and not your email address. Don't use any symbols or spaces. Choose a password and then retype your password. You need to enter your name and your email address. Make sure it's an email address that you can actually access, because you will have to confirm your email address to actually log into the website. You can click to opt out of emails, and you need to click on this reCAPTCHA and anti-spam thing here. So when you click on register, you'll get sent an email to confirm that your email actually exists. This is to stop spammers. So if we go to, once you've received your email, if you don't receive an email, check your spam folders, because occasionally they can be filtered out. So if you still don't receive one, just let us know. Contact us. contact@railcam.uk, and we'll try and help you out. So once you've got your email and you've confirmed it, that enables your account and you can log in. So click on login. So this is what you'll see as a standard user before you subscribe. So let's have a look at the menus. Well, let's have a look at this, what you get. This menu here shows you what you can get for free. So you've got 25 mainland cameras, 23 heritage cameras, 24 international cameras, compared to, if you become a supporter, you get 41 mainland cameras. As a free member, you won't get diagrams. You do get these mini diagrams, but you don't get the full diagrams. As a subscriber, you get the full set. We do a community-based loco and units allocation database. You need to be a supporter to get that, or subscriber. You can search for detailed schedules. You can get that for free. If you want to search for something by loco, unit or head code, you need to be a subscriber for that. And also subscribers benefit from being able to search loco or unit history. So let's have a look at the cams that you can get for free. We've got cams all over the country, so for free you can get Appley Bridge, you get Barking, Clitheroe, Cramlington. We have 5 cameras at Crewe. One of those is free. It's Flitwick, Hensall, a lot of freight there. We have 4 cameras on the Settle Carlisle line. They're all free. Portsmouth, Princess Risborough. It's the 2 cams at Ryde, Shrewsbury, Tane Estuary, Todmorden, Upall, and the York Station camera. If you choose to subscribe, then you get a lot more. You get all those cameras, plus you also get there's another 2 cameras at Barking, Beatock, Bedford, Bolton the Sands. It's Bushbury, 2 cameras at Camden, 2 at Chesterfield. You get the full suite of 5 cameras at Crewe, 2 cameras at Derby, Doncaster, Farrington, Greatley, Hebden Bridge, 2 at Leyland, Newark, Newbury, 4 cams at Peterborough, it's Preston, it's 2 at Slough, St Bees, Teignmouth and Thankerton, Watford, and there's 2 cameras at Skelton Junction at York, and then it's the avoider camera. We also offer several cameras on heritage railways. You've got the West Somerset Railway, Nene Valley, Princess Risborough, the Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway, West Somerset, is the Spa Valley, Swanage, Cove Castle and Swanage Station. So to subscribe to Railcam, to become a Railcam supporter, it's really easy, and this is how you do it. Click on subscribe. This takes you to the page where you can decide the length of your subscription. You can choose 12 months for £23, 6 months for £14, 3 months for £8, or 1 month for £4. You can also choose to make an additional donation if you would like. If you do opt to make an additional donation, you merely put the amount in here. Let's say £10 as an example, and your total amount to pay will be shown here. You can either pay by cards, or you can pay by PayPal, or you can pay by bank transfer. To pay by bank transfer, click on this button and then click on send message. This takes you to this page which shows you the bank details. You need to go to your own bank to make the actual transaction. It's not done automatically. When you do your transaction, make sure you include your Railcam username in the reference. If you don't, we won't have a clue who you are. If you choose to pay by card or PayPal, click on this button. And this takes you to the PayPal login page where you can complete the transaction. If you don't have a PayPal account, then simply click on Pay by Debit or Credit Card. This brings you to the page where you can enter your details as you would with any other transaction. So you do not need to have a PayPal account to do that. Upgrade to supporter subscription is instant. You will need to log out of the site and log back in again, and then you will get all the benefits from being a Railcam supporter. So that concludes the first of our Railcam tutorial videos. I hope to see you next time. Look out for the links coming up at the end of this video.